Food waste reductions. What is food waste? Food waste refers to the food appropriate to human consumption being discarded whether or not after it gets beyond its expiry date or not to spoil. Food has spoiled, but it can be referred other reasons such as oversupply due to the market or individual consumer shopping eating habit. During this process, food waste is put into an aerobatic digestion wherein microorganisms break down food waste in the absence of oxygen. This process produces biogas, a mixture of methane and carbon dioxide which can then be used to produce heat, electricity, or transport fuel. With food crops are sent to the land to produce methane greenhouse gas with more than 20 times the global warming capacity of carbon dioxide. Composing food scrap in land are also potential source of organic leachate that can contaminate surface and groundwater. Benefits of reducing food waste: emission from landfills and lowers your carbon footprint, conserve energy and resources, preventing pollution involved in the growing, manufacture, transport, and selling food. To support your community by providing untouched food that would have otherwise gone to waste to those who might not have a steady food supply. How food waste reduction been a problem? Food waste that ends up in landfill produces a large amount of methane, a more powerful greenhouse gas than even CO2. Food waste is a far-reaching problem with the remedies financial, ethical, and environmental costs. An estimated 1.3 billion tons of food is wasted globally each year. 1/3 of all food produced for human consumption, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization or FAO of the United Nations. Remember, 1. Avoid buying too much. 2. Think twice before throwing a food away. 3. Always make a shopping list. 4. Store food correctly. 5. Try out food preservation method. The World Resources Institute note that reducing food waste by half would benefit the environment significantly by reducing the food for lands, water, and other resources to grow food. The World Resources Institute states that cutting food waste in half would lower greenhouse gases emission by 1.5 gigatons or 1.5 million metric tons of carbon dioxide equivalent per year by 2050. While each individual can help with the process, governments, corporations, and partners will need to make significant change to reduce their waste to achieve this goal. Reducing food waste benefits individuals in many ways, including saving money from buying and wasting less food. Organizing the structured meals may save a person significant amount of time in the long run and make a person eating habit much simpler and more helpful.